When an EV comes into your collision shop, before teardown, during repair, or before you hand the keys back, do you actually know the state of the high voltage system? Midtronics XHVS 3000, purpose-built EV safety diagnostics for collision repair. The XHVS 3000 system includes a charge port diagnostic plug, a power supply, the smart probe for ground bond inspection, the ground bond cable, and a wireless Android controller. Plug into the vehicle's AC charge port. The XHVS automatically powers on and detects the vehicle. Enter the make, model, year, and whether you're working with a BEV or PHEV. Tap Start. Before any work begins, a mobilization confirms the vehicle is secured. The system then runs insulation resistance and AC touch current checks automatically, validating the integrity of the onboard AC charging system and checking for AC leakage. Clear pass-fail results are displayed at every step. No deep EV knowledge required. The final step is ground bond inspection, verifying that high voltage components are properly grounded to chassis, critical after structural or electrical repair. The Smart Probe's 6-meter tethered cable and flexible neck reach tight, hidden spaces without repositioning the vehicle. The integrated display and one-hand controls keep the workflow on the probe itself. Contact the component, press the center button, read the value. LED and audible feedback confirm good contact. Work through your measurement points. Press to complete, all data captured. All results are logged on the controller. Pull up any prior test record to review individual measurements. Data can be uploaded to Midtronics Data Cloud, giving your shop a documented record of vehicle condition at every stage of the repair. Hidden voltage risks don't announce themselves. XHVS 3000 gives your collision team the tools to find them, before teardown, throughout repair, and before the vehicle leaves your shop. Midtronics, the right answer, fast.